Welcome to CMG video. Today's video is another video on my Range Rover Sport, and the issue today is we have a UJ joint. As you can see, the rubber just snapped in half, and Range Rover wanted 650 quid to replace. So it's not really hard, and I got a replacement, and I will show you. I'll put in the link where I got the replacement from. As you can see, it's just the rubber, identical to the one that's there. Pretty much replace it brand new. It's about 40 something quid to replace. To get started, real simple. You have to take out the air filter here. As you can see, it's down here. There's only 6 screws to take that out. So it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws, and you don't have to take them out all the way. You just lift it up, take out the air filter, and then I took out the box underneath. And this only has 1 screw, I think, yeah, 1 screw there, and just up and to the right to take out. I just took it out because it's clean. It's all dirty, as you can see, all dirty. Right. So in order to get to this, the video in, there's only 2 screws there. And as you can see here, this goes like this. It's telescopic. That pole, if you can see here, this pole down here where my finger is, can you see there? That's telescopic, so you just push that back. So it's got 1 screw up top and then 1 screw here. And the screws that are here is, this one's a 14 mil, which is a star, whatever it's called. That's a 14 mil. Fits in there perfect there. And they're not very tight. And then this one at the bottom is a square one, is a regular, it's a 10 mil. So again, so now I'm going to take this out, I'm going to grease it with some red rubber grease and then put it back on, and it should be good to go. I'm just going to hand time. There's no talks, there's no videos on YouTube for this. So again, I hope this helped, and what I'll do is I'll put a link to the part where I got this from on online, and like I said, it's about 40 something quid, or maybe even cheaper, and that's about it. So there's not many videos. I figure I'd make another video for you guys, and this is a Range Rover 2018 l494. There's some for l322, but none for the 394. It's very simple, easy to do yourself, and that's all you have to do is, and you put it, you raise the car to a jack mode, and you just have to get a stepper because you won't be able to reach down into the bay. So you can see I put the new Gator back on it, and I coated it with the red rubber grease, so that way it keeps it soft. It doesn't get hard again and crack. So I'm going to try it. She's going to try to record. I'm going to try to put it in while recording. So to go in there, you slide it under, and as you can see, there's the telescopic thing there. I'm going to try to put it right in there. Can you see? Huh? Hold on. Oh, yeah, you see it there? And you see the thing all here from the top. Look from the top. See from the top there? Yeah. So I'm going to slide it in. See? Oh, you got to hold it so it doesn't slide back because it's telescopic. There it is. There's the hole there. See it there? Whoop. Right there. And then now I got to put the bottom one. I don't know if you can be able to see the bottom one. I'm going underneath. Let's see. No, you can't. I mean, no, this one's not in yet. See, it's hard to get under there. Right, as you can see, come on, bring it over here. You want to put the bottom one in first. So the bottom one's in there first, and then you want to, let me move this aside. You want to do is come to this side with your hand, grab the telescopic pole, and put your hand in underneath. Right, and now you have to slide it into there. See it there? All right, slides in, line it up with a screw, and that's it. So you can see it's both in there at the bottom. Can't really see it. See if it's under there. Yeah. You can see it's under there's there. So now I'm just going to put the screws again. So this is just to help you guys out. Sorry about the shaky video there, but just to give you an idea how easy it is. Again, subscribe and like, and check out some of my other videos. Cheers.